Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are doing the web scraping with the Python tutorial. So here we are using the pip package that is BeautifulSoup. So make sure you have to install this package. So let's try to scrap some of the data using this package that is BeautifulSoup. Let's copy and paste this and add the code into our file. So let's comment this one. Okay, and let's add the code over here and what the data they are scrapping. So the codes dot this one, if I open this one, this is codes to scrape. Let's have a look how we can scrap the data. Okay, and let's call this function. Okay, save this and let's run this, and here you can see all the codes. So how we done this? The world as we have created it is a process. Okay, here you can see the first one, then it's our choice. Okay, we are also there are only the two ways. Okay, so we have scrapped the data, and whether you want to save in the PDF or whatever, you can save it, right? So how we have done? So here we are adding the package that is request and the beautiful soap. So here we have defined the URL. Okay, and request to get the URL, and with the help of the beautiful soft response dot text whatever we get html dot parser, we have passed this one and find all the span. Okay, so here you can see we have a span, right? So let's check the span. If I do the inspect over here, and this is a span. Okay, and span, what we have in the span class is equal to text. Okay, so span class item prop is text. Okay, here you can see that the class is text because here we have a class that is text for the codes, and for the authors we are going to small, and the author, if I check over here, the author is what, and there is a span another, and the small they have the author. Okay, so here you can see that the Albert Einstein. Okay, so here you can see we are fetching the data. So codes with the help of this one, find all with the span class text, and find all with the small with the class author. Okay, then we are looping. Okay, and then printing the quote with the text and the authors. Okay, here you can see that one. Okay, and after this we are just calling this function. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and the package that we are using, I will give you that package hint for that one. So here we go with this package, beautiful soap Python. So this is that one. Okay, here you get the description also. They have might be some sample data. Document release history is there, home page, production developers. I think documentation is there, so you can go with the documentation. So okay, so here you can see that, let me go with, you can see, so find all anchor tag. Okay, here you can see some of the information. So here you can see that we have a loop. So for link in loop find all this one, so print all the anchor tags. Okay, the code dot get text. Okay, how to install this one? So we have this one installed, or pip install this one. So these, everything is there, so you can use it, right? So here you can see that python's parcel html. Okay, so html dot parser is used over here, right? So and the basic code of that one is also there. Okay, so any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.